Midjourney has made a distinctive mark in the AI industry for its dedicated ability to create high-quality images. I think most people are curious about using Midjourney AI, but confused about how to use it. Here, in this video, you can get a step-by-step guide to creating art with Midjourney AI. The first part, let's take an overview of Midjourney. We can refer to it as a text-to-image AI tool. With a simple prompt, you can give the platform a direction to create an image. Using AI and machine learning, the platform creates high-quality, high-resolution images. However, if you are not satisfied with a particular result, the AI art generator comes up with a list of commands and parameters that can be used to change the settings and mode of the platform. Now, let's start with the most important part about how to use it. Step 1. Join the official Discord channel of Midjourney. As it opens on a new window, proceed to the Newbies room. Lead into the Messages section to type /, which opens a list of commands on the screen. Step 2. Continue to select or type /imagine on the provided space to choose the command to create an image. On selecting it, type the prompt with clear instructions about the image and hit Enter. Here are some important commands and parameters to use in the prompts. You can take a screenshot to save. Step 3. The AI bot provides the results in a while with some editing options. You can upscale or change the model versions with the buttons provided under the output image. Step 4. Select the image that you have created to save. As it leads to a new pop-up window, select Open in Browser. Right-click on the image and select Save Image As to browse the location where you want to save the image. Starting in April 2023, Midjourney decided to temporarily suspend the 25-image free trial service. It's offering 3 pricing plans: Basic, Standard, and Pro. Each plan provides a progressively higher limit. As a product that also generates AI images, Filmora provides users with opportunities to use the AI image tool for free. Download Filmora and open it. Find AI image next to the Import button in the Media panel. The operation interface of AI image will appear in the form of a pop-up window. Then, enter the image description where you want to generate in the input box and click Start Creating to develop it with one click. Here are 3 commonly used image sizes to choose. You can also choose a different style for the image you want to generate. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye!